strut, left heel, strut, right heel, strut, left heel, strut. Now we're going to go backwards with what are called toe struts. So instead of your heel, you put your toe down, slap your heel. Left toe, slap your heel, right toe, slap your heel, left toe, slap your heel. So add those two together. So doing 4 heel struts, leading with the right. 3, 4, right heel, strut, left heel, strut, right heel, strut, left heel, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut. Everyone all right? We're going to touch our right foot to the side and hold for 1 count. Touch it in for a 1 count and hold for a count. And then we're going to do some quick ones. So touch out, in, out, hold. So we touch out right, hold, touch in, hold and out, in, out, hold. Just hold on the out. Let's join this together. So right heel strut, 3, 4, right heel, strut, left heel, strut, right heel, strut, left heel, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut. Touch out right, hold, touch in, hold, touch out, in, out, hold. Now we're going to do a jazz box. Anyone know who the shadows are? Yeah. So a bit like their trademark step, so cross right over left, step back on the left, forward to turn to the right on your right foot, bring left together, weight goes on your left, ready to go again. That's the whole pattern. Let's do the jazz box again. So forward to turn with it, crossing right over left, so you've got your right pointed from your out, in, out, cross right over left, left, back, forward to turn right, left, together. Weight on the left, ready to start again. Does anyone want that again? So we're crossing right over left, step left back, forward to turn to the right, step left together. Do a little bit, well it is a slow jazz box in this one, so it's cross, back, turn, together. 1 beat for each step. That's the whole dance. So how we go on? Hold. On the right heel, 3, 4, right heel, strut, left heel, strut, right heel, strut, left heel, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, touch out right, hold, touch in, hold, touch out, in, out, hold, cross right, left back, and forward to turn together. One more of those. That looks good, sounded good. I can hear if you're going the wrong way. On the right, right heel, strut, left heel, strut, right heel, strut, left heel, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, out right, hold, in, right, hold, touch, out, in, out, hold, right, cross, left back, forward turn, step together. Yeah. Total. This one's going clockwise, so you get 3, 6 and 12. On the right, 3, 4, right heel, strut, left heel, strut, right heel, strut, left toe, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, touch out, hold, touch in, hold, touch out, in, out, hold, right cross, left back, forward right, left together. The other right or the other left, whichever one. Let's try this one. 3, 4, right heel, strut, left heel, strut, right heel, strut, left heel, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, touch out, hold, touch in, hold, touch out, in, out, hold, right cross, left back, forward right, left together. We'll practice that in a minute. You're doing it contra, aren't you? You're just being clever now. Right, on the right, 3, 4, right heel, strut, left heel, strut, right heel, strut, left toe, heel, strut, right toe, strut, strut, left toe, strut, right toe, strut, left toe, strut, touch out, hold and in, hold and out, in, out, hold, cross, back, forward, turn together. Let's practice the jazz, but we won't